with Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today we're going to do, we're doing popcorn. This is going to be a very short video, all right? Basically, this is my Nostalgia popcorn machine. All right, this thing works wonderful. But let me tell you the ingredients here. You can use regular cooking oil, peanut oil, whatever oil you like. And I'm using Orville Redenbacher popcorn seeds. You can use any popcorn seed you want, okay? Not microwave popcorn, okay? Or, like I said, any kind of oil you want. All right, this is the heating element right here. This is what the oil and the corn kernels go into. All right, so without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Very simple setup. Right there we go. And you can also, like, you can use any kind of seasoning that you want and stuff like that. Okay, I need to turn the power on. There we go. Turn the heat. Got the light on. Also got the heat on. I plugged it in. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of oil. That's about it. All right. Then I'm going to take my popcorn. I'm only going to use about a half a cup. A half a cup popcorn seasoning. Because it's just me. And you just pour it in. All right. I don't have this thing properly lined up here. There we go. She's lined up now. All right. Now, all we have to do, I'm going to keep the door open for a minute so you can get a closer look at it. Now all we have to do is wait for the popcorn to pop. All right, that lid right here will start popping up when the oil gets hot and the popcorn is ready to pop. This is the seed tray where you collect your seeds within. You know, so you don't get no seed. You don't want no seeds in your popcorn when you're eating it. All right. So I'll be back when the popcorn starts to pop. Oh, and I forgot to show you this red knob here. This is for dumping the popcorn out of the kettle. Shake it and get it all out. All right, close it up. So I'll be right back when I start seasoning. All right, so what I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to start seasoning. I'm going to be using the nacho cheddar. All right. So just start sprinkling it around. That's all you got to do. I never have to buy bags of popcorn, you know. Like, everything has gone up in price. You know, I mean everything. Well, the quick and easiest way to really do this, remove it. Remove it. Now I can really get down to making this popcorn. All right, so, but like I said, this is nacho cheddar. All right. All right. My daughter bought this, and I'm using it. All right. Basically, all you're doing is mixing it up. That is it. That's all it takes, people. This machine is great. But I got a hand sneaking in here. I got a hand sneaking in. Does it need any more seasoning? A pinch more. I got to see if I can purchase this in a bigger bottle. You can, Walmart? I was just informed that you can purchase these bigger bottles of seasoning at Walmart. Like I said, that was about a half a cup. All right. Now, if I want to do a whole lot, I can put a whole cup in. But that'll be way too much. All right, you want to try it now? Tell me if it needs any more. All right, we got it good to go. We got a thumbs up on this one here. So, and all I'm going to do, got my little popcorn scoop. And that's it, folks. Popcorn done in the popcorn machine, made by Nostalgia. All right, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next video. Have a nice day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the popcorn is popping right now. Once she starts to get to the top, she'll start overflowing. Well, I'm gonna keep the door open. There should be no problem. Well, here she comes. Here comes my popcorn. All right. I think I better close the door now. All right, I had to close the door because seeds and popcorn was popping out. All right. So, I'm going to show you the different type of flavoring that I'm using. You can use anything you want to use. I'm using the white cheddar or the nacho cheddar. All right, and I have my own popcorn bags that I had purchased many, many years ago. All right, so this popcorn is just about done. I'm going to reopen the door. Like I said, a half a cup brings you a long way. All right, I'll be right back when I start seasoning.